What's up guys, Sandy Plays here, but I'm posting this video because, as you could probably see as the thumbnail, Daisy's making these weird noises. I don't know if you can hear it. Yes, I know what purring is, yeah. I know she's purring right now, but like, earlier she was like making these weird noises, and it's like very weird. Kind of like that, but if she wasn't purring. Like that one high pitch. When, I don't know how to explain it, but she keeps doing that and I'm confused with that. But I don't know if that happens with all cats. Like if all cats do that noise just randomly. Or if just literally Daisy does that. And if it is, like she must be like some type of flippin' alien or something. I mean, probably not. The chances are low. But I mean, I don't think she's like an alien or something, because I mean, I'm pretty sure, like, that sound is probably normal. I mean, I don't know though. I mean, tell me in the comments below if you have a cat, does your cat ever make this sound that Daisy does? Like that high pitched thing. Not the purring, not her purring, like the other sound that she's making. I don't know how to say it. But please tell me in the comments below if you have a cat. Also make sure to like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments below if your cat actually makes these noises. And I see you in the next video, and bye.